Well, sa ngayon po kasi parang we introduced the concept of collaboration between the two worlds, which is the celebrity world and the social media world. So yun po yung nangyari sa season 1. So right now, we're trying to level it up in terms of collaborating naman our celebrity dance stars with our P-pop idols. Kasi very much dominant na rin and nakikita na natin na nag-grow yung fan base ng mga P-pop stars natin dito sa Philippines. So I think that's one way of leveling up season 2 for Stars on the Floor.
Alright, thank you, Alden. And for Raver naman, so ang question for you is, what are you looking forward to the most as far as being a new member of the Dance Authority?
Collab daw namin dahil.
Siyempre kasama na. Hindi, siyempre, pinaka na-excite ako and looking forward yung sa talent and sa skill na ipapakita nila. Kasi, as far as I know, nung season 1 pa lang talagang sobrang excited and sobrang, like, gusto kong sumali na dun sa, pangarap ko kasi magkaroon ng, makasali sa isang reality dance show din bilang ito talaga yung first love ko yung pagsasayaw eh. And then, nangyari, si Rojun yung nakasali. And then, nakakatuwa kasi siya yung nag-champion sa season 1. And then now sa season 2, sama ko na si Mr. Alden, saka si Coach J, si Miss Marian. So talagang, na-excite ako na maging part ng show and na makita ko yung talento na ibibigay ng mga contestants natin. Kasi na-witness ko talaga yun na napakaganda ng show. And bilang first love ko yung pagsasayaw, looking forward talaga ako sa maraming bagay. So,
Ayan, thank you so much, Raver. For Coach J naman po, so Coach J, saan ka pinaka-excited para sa season na ito? And ano yung mga expectations mo sa performances na makikita mo for this season's duos?
Para sa akin po, yung dati kasi tama yung sinabi ni Alden. Dati social media at celebrity. Ngayon naman is yung P-pop at celebrity. Doon ako sa, yung excited ako para sa part ng P-pop groups. Kasi parang pambato nila yung isasala dito isasalang dito. And then ako, parang na-excite ako na hindi lang sila, nakafocus sila sa sayaw. Kumbaga, sino ba talaga sila pagdating sa walang microphone, o di ba, may kakulab sila na ibang tao. So kumbaga, dun ako na-excite kasi mas ma-highlight yung skills nila pagdating sa sayawan. And then sa mga celebrity naman, na mga bagong sasala dito, feeling ko, panibagong tao na naman eh. Compared before, iba din yung skills nila. Ito, ibang mga tao, ibang mga skills. So, iba din yung makikita namin bago na naman sa mata namin. And then, nakaka-excite na season 2, ibig sabihin kung ano man yung kailangan i-improve as makikita namin dito. So, very excited ako sa season 2 kasi parang gusto kong makita pa more compared dun sa last. Kasi sobrang ang ganda nung last eh. Sobrang satisfied kami sa lahat ng mga performance nila. And then na-excite ako sa mga panibagong sasalang dito.
Thank you very much, Coach J. So for our final question for this segment po. So this is for Alden. What can you promise viewers about Stars on the Floor 2026?
The reason why nagkaroon po kami ng season 2 is because of the support of the Kapusos all over the world. And I think the people behind Stars on the Floor and all of us really did a wonderful job in terms of showcasing this kind of concept. Dahil like what we've mentioned and for everyone's knowledge, Stars on the Floor is an original GMA concept. So we took into consideration different shows that already aired globally and then tried to pinagsama-sama namin sila to create this concept for the Filipino audience. So what we can promise, of course, is we will offer a lot of pasabog dance numbers. Of course, yung mga twist and turns po na mga ini-incorporate namin with every episode that we make is still there. Diyan magaling yung creatives natin, of course, and our directors as well. So we're looking forward to this show because it really did well last year. So we're going to be promising our Kapuso audience that we will not let you down in terms of the contents that we're going to showcase in this show for 2026.
Ayan. Thank you so much po, Coach J, Alden, and Raver. So at this point po, everyone will have the chance to interview our stars by batch. So for now, our